So how can mankind be a predator to turtles? One way is with overfishing. That's a really big problem. You know, people like to eat seafood and fish and that sort of thing, so we just fish and fish and fish. And it's really causing a decline in a lot of fish populations in the world. But that's affecting turtles because sometimes they get caught in the fish nets or on fishing lines. Trawling is the biggest problem. What they do is they take boats and they have big long fish lines that could be up to a mile long, and they have baited hooks. They can have up to 160,000 baited hooks on one line, and basically they'll just tow that line through the water, and they're after one type of fish, say tuna. They want tuna, and so they'll be fishing, trawling this line, and everything gets caught on that line. Turtles, sharks, wahoo, all different kinds of fish, when really they only want tuna. And that's called bycatch, is all the stuff that they're catching accidentally. And their bycatch is a huge percentage of what they catch. It could be up to 70%. So that's 70% of stuff they don't even want that they caught by accident. Another big problem is pollution of the oceans. We put a lot of plastic, which is a very unnatural product, and a lot of it ends up in the ocean. And things like bags or wrappers, to a turtle it looks like food. They eat things like jellyfish, and jellyfish looks just like a little plastic bag floating. So if a turtle's hungry and sees a little piece of plastic, it could try and eat it, and then it'll choke. It won't be able to breathe anymore. So that could, you know, potentially kill the turtle. And there is so much plastic in the water. Sometimes people just throw it in, but a lot of times it just blows in, or, you know, gets washed in from rivers and streams and that sort of thing. A lot of places in the world, they don't really know about garbage disposal, so they don't really understand that it's bad for the ocean to throw garbage in, and so they just throw all of their garbage into the water. Also, oil and tar, pesticides, and other chemicals, they end up in the ocean just from ships and factories, farms, cities, and that can harm turtles and other creatures that live in the ocean. Another big problem is the development of the turtle's habitat. So all these beautiful beaches that these mother turtles would climb up onto and dig their nests and lay baby turtle eggs, the beach now has a big condominium or a big apartment building, or oceanside golf course or something built on it, and all their habitat is being developed by people, and it's really sad. It's kind of like just in Kelowna, with the bears. There's lots of bears that live in the mountains, and there's all this development going on, where they're building houses higher and higher and higher up into the mountains, and it's kind of taking away the habitat that the bears would live in.